Hi everyone. Now I'm going to share with you on how to do the Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging. A multiple strikes, multi strikes using this mini punching bag or simulations of my strikes. Alright, this punching bag right here. So first I have to share with you the names, the different variations of strikes. Alright, the first one is from the letter A, abanico, or simply said fan strike. Fan, abanico, see? See? Left hand. Right, so fan strike. The next is the linear strikes or tigbas. 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 Same with the left hand. That's what you call linear strike, tigbas. The third strike is the curve strike or witik, curve strike. So from my dominant hand, witik, curve, witik. See? So using my non-dominant hand, witik, 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 curve, witik, curve, curve, curve. Right? The fourth one is the flywheel strike. Flywheel or redondo. Right? So from my dominant hand, flywheel, redondo, see? Flywheel. Same as my non-dominant hand. Flywheel. See? Redondo. So that's the flywheel. So we have four. First is the abanico, which is the fan strike. Then the linear strike, which is the tigbas. Third is the curve strike or witik. The fourth one is the flywheel or redondo. Now the fifth strike is, we call it the horizontal strike or plancha. Horizontal. See? Horizontal. So plancha. See? So from my dominant hand, now to my non-dominant hand. Plancha. Horizontal strike. If you notice, wherever my strikes goes, my hips follow. See? My hips follows. Now, so we have five. Abanico, the linear, the curve, the flywheel, and then the horizontal. Okay? And then the sixth one is the sidewinder. Sidewinder is like this. Sidewinder. See? See? Sidewinder. That's the sidewinder. Usually you will do the sidewinder after your abanico. Alright? But for this training purposes, now, I can show you the other strike, which is the butt strike, right? For corto or close fighting style. For close fighting, see? butt kick, butt strike. For disarming, disarm or to parry the strike or the thrust, okay? And of course for the attack, butt kick, butt strike. And then we have this thrust or dunggab, of course, right? Thrust, right? See? Same as here on my dominant, non-dominant hand. Thrust, dunggab, non-dominant hand, butt strike. Right. Now we'll do it combinations of all the multiple strikes and using this punching bag right here. Alright? So I'm going to show you the combinations of all the strikes. Alright? From abanico, linear strike, abanico which is the fan strike, linear strike which is the tigbas, then the curved strike which is the witik, the flywheel strike which is the redondo, then the horizontal strike which is the plancha, right? Then the sidewinder, right? Sidewinder. Then we'll combine it in one, right? Multiple strikes, right? Let's do multiple. So from abanico, sidewinder, curve strike, linear, plancha, flywheel, everything, okay? So we'll do everything. Alright? Let's do this. See? So if you have an opponent, of course, right? So you have fighting stance. This is a fighting stance or forward stance, see? Wait, median strike, median. See, median strike. See, median. It's like a jab, see? Jab. Median strike. Median. Alright? Then you can jump for a first hit. See? First hit! Block. See that? That's what you call first hit. So here. Then your median strike, median strike, median strike. You fake, then jump! Block. See? One more time. So from here, you move. Right, then median strike, median. You measure the gauge. You know, measure the distance. And will win. Once you get the distance of your opponent, then you get the first hit. Then block. Right? Same. Now, when you get engaged with your opponent, close combat or corto, you can apply everything from abanico strike, the sidewinder, the witik, plancha, linear, plancha again, sidewinder. Same, no? Same. Now we'll do it in multiple, in one, okay? So again, when we do the